In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update ad budget on Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account and wait for the dashboard or overview page to fully load. It's a good idea to let everything load completely before clicking around, so the platform displays the most current campaign data. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Campaigns. This will take you to the area where all of your active and paused campaigns are listed. From here, locate the specific campaign whose budget you want to update. If you manage multiple campaigns, take an extra moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, since each campaign can have its own separate daily budget. Now click on the campaign name to open its details. Inside the campaign settings, find the Budget section. This is where you'll be able to see the campaign's current daily budget amount. Before making any changes, review that current number so you know exactly what is already in place. When you're ready to update it, click the Edit option or the pencil icon next to the budget. Enter your new budget amount carefully. As you type in the new value, double-check it to make sure it aligns with your advertising goals and that you haven't added an extra digit by mistake. Even a small typo here can significantly change your daily spend. You may also see budget recommendations provided by Google Ads. Take a moment to review those suggestions. They can be helpful for context, especially if the system has identified opportunities based on campaign activity. At the same time, make sure no additional campaign settings need adjustment before you save. This helps you confirm that budget is the only thing being changed. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply the new budget. After that, wait a few moments for Google Ads to update the campaign settings. In some cases, you may need to refresh the campaign page to see the latest information appear properly. Finally, verify that the updated budget is displayed correctly on the campaign page. This last check is important because it confirms that the change was successfully applied. After the update, continue to monitor campaign performance so you can evaluate the impact of the new budget over time and make future adjustments if needed. Thanks for watching.